Hi there! Thanks for joining me. Welcome to the Science Buddy series. I'm Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services. Today we are going to make rain in a glass. And for this experiment, we need 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is a clear glass. The second is some water. The third is shaving cream. And the fourth is food coloring. So to make rain in a glass, we need 4 ingredients. A glass, water, shaving cream, food coloring. So pause your video, go get the 4 ingredients, and then come back. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. Did you get all 4 ingredients? Do you have your glass? Awesome. Do you have your water? Awesome. Do you have your shaving cream? Great. And do you have food coloring? Perfect. Okay, let's do step number 1. For step number 1, you need the clear glass and your water. We're going to pour the water into the glass. We're going to fill it about halfway. There we go. Okay, pause your video, pour the water in the glass. Okay, step 1. Did you pour your water in your glass? Awesome. Step number 2. But first, I have a question. Where does rain come from? Any guesses? Let me hear it. Yes, clouds. Rain comes from a cloud. So for step number 2, we will make a cloud. We will make a cloud using shaving cream. We're going to make a cloud in our glass. I put shaving cream in the glass to make a cloud. So pause your video and make a cloud. Hi again. Did everybody make a cloud? Perfect. Question. What happened to your cloud? Did it stay on top? Or did it mix? Yeah, the cloud stayed on top of the water. Awesome. Okay, next step. Step number 3. We need food coloring. So with the food coloring, we are going to pour some drops on top. You can pick any color you want, but I am going to use all of my colors. So I'm going to drop some food coloring on the top. Okay. Your turn. Everybody, pause your video and put some drops of food coloring on top of your cloud. Then come back and we'll see what happened. Hey, did everybody put in some food coloring? Awesome! Now let's see. What happened? It rained in my cup. Look at that. Amazing. The rain came through the cloud and it made an awesome storm in my glass. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me for our Science Buddy series. My name's Ashley from Rejuvenate Health Services, and I'll see you soon. Bye.